What's going on? I know y'all didn't think a week was gonna go by and y'all wasn't gonna get no video. Y'all know what to do. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Over here at my parents' house, me and my dad got a project going on. Ain't nothing like a little family time with you and your dad. Y'all see what we got going on. We about to put these underglows on. This is the second set.
Where was that at, Carlos?
It should be right
Oh,
here.
you just want that bracket unloosed?
Yup, and then I'm gonna put that same bracket back on and zip tie the rest. As y'all see.
So listen, I'm gonna just take out one screw then.
Okay. So let me set y'all up somewhere so y'all can watch us work.
Okay, so Carlos, here goes this. I'm gonna leave this little screw right here by the screwdriver.
Okay. Hopefully y'all can see us. If can't, we working. It should be okay. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Alright. So I'll start with this one. I gotta find them zip ties. Oh, put back on here. Hopefully y'all had a wonderful and blessed day. Y'all know that court is open. Downtown is open. How y'all feel about that? How many of y'all gonna be down there? Just enjoy yourself, man. Have fun. There's enough of us locked up already. Y'all done did what y'all didn't have to do already. Stay about them people's stores and leave their stuff alone. Y'all got Mary Lightfoot looking crazy on TV. Her line ain't pushed back.
Oh man.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
It was.
She getting old and gray like the kids make you get.
Yeah, she get real. It's happening quick too. It must have been meant for me to have this. Cause this, when I tell you, when I pull this dad and put it in here, look at how the wire go up. It was like it ain't that much hang as the last time.
Okay.
Last time this thing was hanging. Let me see. Yup.
Where did you order that from?
Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking about when you was talking about yours. Father's Day coming up.
No, I ordered mine from Amazon too, but it's like, you know what? If I might get me another one, I might not.
I'll see you get you one for Father's Day. Well, I don't know what else to get you. You got everything.
But it's gotta be the kind that you hook up to the trailer hitch.
Alright, just give me the information and I'll Google it and look up for it.
So you don't cut no wires or nothing. You just plug it into the trailer hitch. I'll show it to you. That's why I liked it. You didn't have to do nothing. Just plug it straight into the trailer hitch.
Oh, she asked me what you want to eat.
That's quick. Hello? Hi. I don't know, honey. Do you have any ideas of what kind of? Maybe I can eat some soup. I can't eat no sandwiches or nothing like that, though. Okay, give me some soup. Yeah. No, that'll be fine. Give me that chicken and rice or whatever. Or give me the Yeah, give me the chicken and rice if they have it. If not, give me the broccoli cheddar. I'm gonna eat something else. I'm gonna have to, make some mashed potatoes or something, whatever. I don't know, but let's go ahead and get that. You coming home quick, ain't you? Oh, all right, honey. Okay, all right, bye bye.
I didn't even notice that. Dang it.
What?
I should take it down and put it over these struts.
Let me see what you're talking about.
See? That'll help lift it up. Cause I know that don't get hot. You see? These things right here.
Yeah, you don't want it coming right over your
No, I was just talking about
your
the
spare tire thing coming down either. So you need to let it come from the side instead of going straight down the middle like that.
That's what I'm saying.
So,
I didn't notice that.
oh yeah, you wanna go on top of that, right? That what you're saying?
Yeah, I didn't
Yeah,
even.
you wanna do that.
I didn't realize that until I got halfway done and just looked like, dang. Well,
So,
I gotta cut these back off.
get that, wherever that blue thing was at, the blue clip.
What?
What you do with them?
I don't. They somewhere around here on this floor.
Here they go.
Oh,
We might, let's go ahead and do this, what you're doing. We might pull it outside and spraying that glue.
okay. So I'm getting the house.
Or your mind is coming through the garage with the asthma and stuff or whatever. It'd be real tricky.
So let's see.
I hate to. No, we'll be okay. I don't wanna have to move this, cause you got all these, we ain't gonna move. Let's just get this
No,
done.
it ain't gonna. If we got to, we can just hold them up real quick. Now, where was that at?
Hand it to me.
Does that make a difference? You see it?
Yeah, I got it, but hang on, it might be, can you go up higher?
Yeah, I don't know what none of this stuff is.
I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna pull that black wire off and send it to you.
Yeah.
So you can connect it to that.
No, I mean like I don't know what none of that stuff is. It's up there. Go look. I just don't know what's back there. I can't see it no more now.
Hang on.
Oh,
Now hold on, pull it out a little bit.
my way.
Yeah, see now, I want it to come up even higher.
No, I can't.
Like, let me see something, hang on a second. Can you see my hand? Right
Yeah.
there? Push it to my finger. Okay.
That's on the tire now. Oh, keep going.
Oh, it is, no, we gotta go away from that. Put it back where you had it, come like maybe through right here.
Okay.
You see my finger?
Yeah, I just have to pull it back.
Okay, I got it. And then, there, hang on.
That keep that wire up some more.
Okay, we can go through here too.
Ugh. You getting there? Y'all just hold tight. Oh, I do got my stand with me, but I don't need it right now. Yeah. See, that got it up a little bit more. Yup, look at that. Look at that. Look at that wire. That's exactly what I need. That wire is up. Ooh. Oh, Dad, we're going to have to go. This is going to be another DNC.
Alright, let's see. So go ahead and clip that and then we can do the front, then we can figure out how we're gonna glue it.
No, like literally, Dad, look. That wire is gone.
Yep. Yeah, it is.
That's what I'm that saved so much. Like, even though I don't run over nothing, but still, it looks look.
Yeah, it's gone. You may have to still try to find some place up under here to zip tie it, cause you know it may get loose after a while. It's like I can see it.
Yeah.
You know what? I can zip tie it to this rail right here.
Okay.
You know where you had it zip tied to before?
Yes.
I can zip tie it right to that.
Yeah.
Show me one of them zip ties. All right.
I'm sorry, I couldn't.
No, I
don't
got
think
it.
one
That's
was-
cool.
Oh, yeah.
Did you have to use two of them right here?
I just used a whole bunch of them.
I mean, connect two together. 'Cause this ain't going over this whole thing. Oh, never mind. I got another way to do it. This is even better, actually.
Let's see the top here. Right. Okay, so that's gonna go up.
You good? You got enough wire? You know, you long enough?
Yeah, it's long. I'm trying to get it straight.
Okay.
Oh, that's what the problem is. Dang.
What's up?
I'm not gonna take that off. This thing right there. But I ain't gonna take it off.
No, you take that, this gonna come off.
Yeah, that's my whole, that's my toe, that's where my hitch is at.
Right.
I'm trying to figure out how did I just have it and it wasn't spinning on that thing. That's cool right there. As long as it's up.
Before you tighten it, just turn them that way.
It won't turn.
Wait a minute. So you know what?
You see, it wasn't like that before.
It was on the outside, like it was like that.
Yeah, but you got it too tight now. But I'd rather have it tight than loose, so I'm okay
What
with
do you
that.
mean it's too tight?
You see, you can't pull it down. That's why I said we got it too tight
Well,
now.
go ahead, but you know what? We can hold this like that.
Yep, that's
And
fine.
now put this one in next.
Oh
While
man,
I'm holding it. And
I
I
can use
got
those zip ties.
they back down there.
No, you got
Oh.
a bag right here too.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I
I
didn't
don't
know.
know what those for. I didn't
They-
take them out. No,
Really?
Carlos, use the black ones. So you know what I mean? They won't show up.
Oh, I must have brought these. Must have came out of this bag. I had bought all these.
So zip tie this one in real quick and get it tight. Alright, now we can get this one in. We can make sure everything is going, do this one next. Cause we can make sure they all pointing, they going down, like, you know?
Yeah, 'cause I hate for it to shine in somebody's face, 'cause it'd probably be bright. Well, not for real.
No, I ain't gonna do that right, but still, you want them down low, so. So this one, you know, yeah, there you go. So like you can't really, like when you stand back like here,
Yeah, it ain't gonna be shining on
you
you.
can't even see them. You can't even see no light.
Oh yeah.
I'll go ahead and zip tie this.
See, that's why I was saying, see, it's tight. So I'm thinking about just leaving it like that.
Oh, the wires ran out of wire.
Yeah, that's why I was saying it's too
Okay.
tight. So I might just leave it.
But
Cause
you
it
know
ain't gonna
what?
fall.
When we zip tie it, it might come down a little bit.
I'm saying I'd rather have it up there tight than loose wire. It's gonna be so much light on this show.
I did get it to turn, though, even though it's kind of going in there, but at least it ain't
Yeah.
curving out that way. You see what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
Just cut them off right at the end.
Yeah. One down. You need me on the side or I have to go do the front?
Nah, we done. I mean, we're gonna glue it, so
Okay.
let's do the front.
The front the same way.
then we can figure out, you know, what to do with that glue real quick. And be through.
The front the same way. The front actually a lot easier. I only put like 3 or 4 of them up there. Here goes two to you, and it should be a pole right. There should be a pole right here.
Oh, you filed it up underneath.
Yeah, it's right here. You see where the other zip ties is at?
Let me get my phone right.
You see it?
I see it now, but.
Ooh, these things look good. They're a little bit brighter than the other ones.
Did you cut them?
Yeah, I cut them off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just think.
Okay. So you got, okay, where the zip tie is at? I'll just hold the light. And I'll hold this up 42, whatever, but I'll hold the light. So like you're going around across this bar, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how much you got on that end?
Oh, these are great zip ties.
They're too small?
I know, yeah.
That's why I was asking you something. Did you have to double them up? Did you use two? Because you can use two together.
I didn't, but it's looking.
Maybe you don't have no more long ones.
Let me see something. I had a whole book bag full of these things.
Look over there by my stuff, Carlos.
Yeah, you got some long ones too.
Yeah,
but I didn't want to, because I know you use your
No,
stuff.
grab them long ones. Grab the long ones out of there.
I still want to see her. I'm sorry. I just got it. See, like, what are them? I guess I used them all. No? That's crazy. Let me hurry up. I'm pulling up.
So let's make sure we even. You know what I mean? Make sure you got this mounted even.
Yeah, so it will look
You
crazy.
have more light on the left and on the right or whatever. So kind of, we could put the zip ties on, but don't pull them tight, so we need to adjust it.
Okay, so right down here, I have nowhere to zip tie to. It's over.
How far?
I ain't got nothing after right here. I ain't got nothing to zip tie to.
Same with like, this as far as I can go, right here.
So the middle part probably is gonna be. Oh, I can peel it off.
Yeah, just peel it off and glue that part.
Yeah. Okay. Zip tie. There we go. I know I had. See these? Look, these don't look like them. So why don't these work?
And don't pull it all the way tight, so you can adjust them. And then when you get that side in, you can hold my phone and then I can do this side. Yeah, two on each end probably be good. What tie is that?
Oh,
These
no,
on?
no, I don't short.
Oh.
Here you go.
Alright.
Yeah, it's twisted, probably twisted.
Oh,
You might got one of the short ones.
no, it's on the wrong, okay, wrong end. So, yeah, this is far as I can go over there. Go as far as I can go.
got that front lit up.
I think it's pretty, kinda hard to tell what's so close.
It looks that. Come back here. It looks like.
Oh, and you can see it on the ground.
Yeah, that's why I said it looked like this. It got that.
Yeah, I think it's pretty well centered, I think. It's kinda hard to tell though. Let me see something. I ain't gonna shut the garage door though.
No, it ain't my door. It ain't gonna shut my thing.
No, I'm gonna hit the light. I'm gonna just hit to kill the light. I can't close the door anyway, cause your car ain't in all the way. Let's try to see. Yeah, this is better. I can get further back and see. It almost, I could be wrong, but it almost looked like. You know what, Carlos? Let's pull these lights out on that side.
Here, Dad, I got your phone.
Okay. And I might have to do this little by little. Oh, you know what? How about I just pull them out and stick them in the door?
Okay, open up the door.
Yeah, but don't be careful, you know, just like to. So just pull all the way out. I think, just be careful, you know, when you close the door, don't, you know, you got that rubber anyway, it should be fine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, bag all the way out. And then that way we could do the glue on outside anyway.
The thing ain't drip. Oh, I don't even know where that's at.
What?
I'll make sure that centerpiece, the connection piece wasn't dragging.
Oh, you mean from the part? No, I zip tied it to the side.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch you though as you go out. All right, go ahead. You good? Okay, stop. You just hit them zip ties. Go ahead. I just wanted to make sure your hood wasn't gonna hit the garage. It ain't. All right, straighten out. Okay, stop right there. Okay, yeah, Carlos, come in and look. Carlos, yeah, I think it looks like it's pretty centered. It's pretty centered, I think. So like, come right here and you can see. Oh yeah, it's pretty centered, ain't it? So I thought it was off to one end or another.
Because we move it over, that whole light gonna change. Let's just see.
What?
I pulled it over to the right.
Oh,
I mean left. Let's see. See?
now that looks good to me. Go ahead, I think we can tighten them up.
Okay.
Well, go ahead and shut the car off, and then let's tighten them up, and then we can do that glue.
I ain't forgot about y'all. I know y'all still here. We just working. Let me move y'all to the next location. Matter of fact, it's been 24 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I know y'all ain't finna watch all 24 minutes of this. But if y'all did, that would be lovely. But you see, I'm gonna show y'all. We got the, see this is why y'all, you see we got the front one on. We got the sides in the car. And this is why y'all need to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The back one. Now we about to work on the sides. But anyway, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, jump in the comment section. Feel free to let me know what you think. Just don't get out of body because I'll go there with you myself. But anyway, I'm about to get back to work. Y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day. I'll see y'all in a second. I'll let the finishing product. I didn't know You know, I'm gonna let y'all see it.